Okay guys, so how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, Windows 7. So this laptop what I'm using at the moment, it have still old Windows 7, but in Windows 10 it's almost similar. So here you can find your internet access here. So click on right click, open network and sharing center, and or you can go to start menu, type here control panel inside, in case if you don't have such symbol. Yeah, type control panel, go to control panel. In Windows 10 it's same, and click on network and sharing center, then click on network and sharing center again, and you'll see window like this. So yeah, in Windows 10 you will see window like this. So here you will see your internet connection. Yeah, so click on it and you will get window like this. So here you need to find wireless properties. So click on it and it will load a little bit, yeah. And here you will need to switch to security. In security, if you will click on show characters, here you will see your Wi-Fi password what you are using. So guys, very simple. Windows 7, Windows 10, use this trick. In case if you do not know or if you forgot your Wi-Fi password, you can check like this. Hope this video was helpful for you.